I was feeling very boring today, so I thought that I should need to make my own stylized radio, and I made one in the Blender 3D. Okay, so now I have made the base shape of the radio, and now we are going to mirror it, and we have mirrored it, and now going for the back loop and insert some edges. Now it's time to make some buttons, the volume, some sort of volume controller, and that's it. And when we will establish, or when we complete this radio, you will see the miracles, how it can transfer one sound from one place to another. Now I have used the loop tool to rotate the handle, and now I'm gonna make the antenna, and that's how I made the antenna. Whoopee! And that's it. And that's it for the modeling video.